Speaker Yumnam Khemchand says government departments should give accurate and timely response on complaints received under Right to Information Act to bring good governance. And six-time champion MC Mary Kom enters semi-finals of Women's World Boxing Championship at Ulan-Ude in Russia to face Turk Gulshanaz Khergloglu on Saturday. Hello and welcome to Impact News. You're watching Afternoon News. I'm Ibete Thokchong with the top stories and latest news at this hour. Manipur Legislative Assembly Speaker Yumnam Khemchand has stressed on the need for timely dispensing of requested informations of various departments under the Right to Information RTI Act to bring about a good governance. He was speaking at the valedictory event of the Right to Information Week 2019 observance organized by the Manipur Information Commission at Lamyan Basang Lane in Palace Compound today. Speaker Khemchand maintained that public can avail any information on any government projects under the RTI Act, contributing to reduction of corruption rate. He urged people to stop giving bribes to get government jobs. Acting Chairman of Manipur Human Rights Commission, Senior Advocate Khaide Mani and other eminent persons attended the event.
Corruption si kotak tak thing mangam dragasu. Corruption si handahan bada aso mateng pangado bani na. Value of RTI si masi. Ambibam thui sarkar ki department kudi mangnusu. RTI ki laiba question do hangdana complaint case may amal ay na. Apaba sasanama apaba department mo hindi ay bataragadi. RTI ki lakpa question singo matam sana kubi bana khwaidagi na phagani. Loina corruption si like par mata paisa katpagi type ka thabak khapadasu paisa katpa oina sumsara rakpaje. This is very unfortunate and I corruption si yana thing bol taba mujhe handana mating amana amagi mating panglaga masi amtang kitang handana ga di thing wi aroi ana ahan ba mujhe handana ba puna thabak tawina bada koi right to information RTI si koi department khudi mangna maram sana pakum bibi laga afaba leba ama wensi.
Workers have expressed happiness over receiving their long-pending benefits. Manipur Building and Other Construction Workers Welfare Federation has appreciated Manipur Building and Other Construction Workers Welfare Board for providing their various pending benefits for 2015 and 2016. Speaking to media at Manipur Press Club today, Federation Secretary S. Biramani lauded the Labour Minister and other relevant officials for the same and further urged them to release other pending benefits at the earliest.
16 year first part second part pithok bighet damak ko department maru bithok ubiriba ko gi officer sing aduga maruna registration officer sing yam sangwana hariba atir mateng manungda benefits pithon honunda choba ko gi thogang lobi khiba board ki staff sing ngokele tre thagachari federation maikedi simising mo chinjeraga loinana hauji akon walhoriba 2016 yaru besaru 2017 ya saru aduga 18% bi yada dre legiba was atu mutanda bibiga na basinbiragadi amukasu hanna federation maikedi gi ngokele tre thagachari habisi media gi thomda ina amukasu na appeal tawjari.
Advisor of Lamlai Kendra Development Committee, Achoibam Devin, alleges that the Lamlai MLA has failed to take up any welfare projects for the constituency. He was speaking at the formal establishment of a new forum called Lamlai Kendra Development Political Forum cum oath-taking ceremony of new members of Lamlai Kendra Development Committee, Mahila Committee, Youth Development Committee and Hills Area Committee at 1L Hamjit's residence in Napetpalli, Mamanglekai today. Devin lamented that Lamlai constituency has become the worst constituency in Manipur due to the local MLA's negligence. President of the newly formed forum, K.H. Khamba, also alleged that the local MLA has failed to take any welfare measures for the constituency.
Kulang thabang kendra gi karam sam ma samana local ira de bem phanje paisa ji puthoga magi polling wise ta chakhot tharangi da taweba adubu ngasi di lamnai kendra da sahi kya kare MLA kare je sahi tara surakadure ngasi phawbo local ira de bem phanje kadai chaknu khangde media da kaida bem da tawde kari tawe haiba karim da phungtok de tumin na lai masi jo khoina yam angakpa ma phawi hai tare akoina tamjaningi ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯀꯔꯥꯞ ꯁꯥꯡꯒꯨꯝꯕ MLA ꯑꯃ ꯂꯩꯔꯒꯗꯤ ꯂꯝꯂꯥꯏ ꯀꯦꯟꯗ꯭ꯔꯁꯦ ꯆꯥꯎꯈꯠꯀꯗ꯭ꯔꯥ ꯍꯥꯏꯕ ꯑꯁꯥꯁꯦ ꯃꯤꯌꯥꯝ ꯄꯨꯝꯅꯃꯛꯅ ꯂꯝꯂꯥꯏ ꯀꯦꯟꯗ꯭ꯔ ꯄꯨꯝꯅꯃꯛꯅ ꯈꯟꯕ ꯋꯥꯈꯜ ꯑꯃꯁꯦ ꯈꯟꯕꯅꯦ
भारतना मनिंग तंबा चाही हुमत्रा सुरबा मणिपुर की ओइना भारत तिनबा चाही हुफुनिफान सुरबा फावबदा लमलाई केंद्र से अदुकी मतिक सोथना ngasibo अहोंगमा मत लेतना डायरेक्ट असिदा इसागी ओइबा कया थादोगा अहोंगबा अमा मियामगी ओइबा सेवादा मांग द वंझनगे हाइबगीदमक्ता पॉलिटिकल फोरम असी सेमजबनी
Lamlai Kendra Development Committee distributed pension to elderly persons, widows and differently abled persons of Napetpalli, Lamlai, Chalo and Uyungmakong village in Lamlai constituency today. Pensions were provided to altogether 150 people in the event dedicated to late Achoibam Ibemhal. Speaking on the occasion, advisor of the committee, Achoibam Deven, expressed disappointment that people of Lamlai are still deprived of benefits under various welfare schemes provided by the government.
सही हुमफुदी सुरबा सरकार के पिंजिन फंगौदबजे पाइबो लोकल एमएनए जु करिमता लखोट पिदबा फंगनब सक्थुंग तौबिदबा अदु मपुरोबा नौना काइना गरबा लुखाबिजिंग दु करिमता यंजनबिदबा अदु द नते लंबी थोंग लेरिबा केमता सेमदबा काबिरिबे एमएलए जिना पुसलक नतबा पुथोखि बंगाक तोइबा केमता डिवेलपमेंट तौदब लंबी थोंग हारे केमता फतबा मदुना मरम ओरगा अखोइना लमलाई केंद्र डिवेलपमेंट कमिटी समजगिबनी
सोइबम दिबेना पिबिरिबा पेंशन से अहल ओइरबा पेंशन दि फंगबा यारबा पेंशन दि फंगद्रिबा सरकार की ओइबा सरु कइगुंबा अमता फंगजद्रिबा हनसिंगदा अदुगा लुखाबी ओइरबा सुगुंबदना माना लुपा चामरी mateꯡ pi lairiba अखोइ की हुजिक सिदा यावरिबा विडोर सिंग से गवर्नमेंट की ओइबा करिगुंबा सरुक अमता चाकथुंग अमता फंगद्रिबा ngakतने मांगना पिबिरिबा से मिनुंगसी अमगा येंगागा माना अखोइ की ngamjaba माना मागी पॉकेट तगे अरैबा पुथोगा पिबिबने.
A combined team of Thobal District Commando led by Lilong Police Station OC Inspector O. Ajit arrested 4 miscreants in possession of contraband drugs from 2 houses in Lilong, Tarin Makong around 9 p.m. yesterday. Civil anti-drug organizations LADA and workers of Anjuman also joined the drive. Arrested drug traffickers are 32-year-old MD Abdul Rashid alias Lintoy, son of late MD Tomba from Lilong Tairen Makong, 27-year-old MD Momin Khan, son of late MD Tomba, 20-year-old MD Ajiz alias Apikpa alias Abungo, son of MD Abdul Hasim, and 19-year-old MD Nawaz Khan alias Boicha, son of MD Sirujur, both from Lilong Turil Ahanbi Boroi Makong. The team confiscated 5,000 pseudoephedrine tablets, 807 suspected SP capsules, 49 new codeine Bolirex, and 39 and 39 N10 tablets from the miscreants.
신데키 똑토 영에 신데키 마kum지 한국 마tamda 거의 호지키 capsule Bolirex new 하이바 타바 시 바틀지 916 जी कापे मखादुदा लेरमे दुगा सिंटेक्सदा फुमगा लेरमे मदुदा कोई सपोर्ट तौवा हाइतारे मसिगी ड्रगसिदा स्टोर तौवा लौथोरसिन तौबदा मतेंग पांगवा अनि मुसु फारे मखोइनुदी एमडी अजीज एलाइस अपिकपा एलाइस अबुंगो तोपामना एमडी नवाज खान एलाइस बोइचा 19 years son of MD Shiraju of Ilong Turel Anbi Roy Mokong हाइबा अनि फारे फुलमना मरी फारे अदुगा होजिक अखोइना यामना.
All Manipur School Students Transporter Association Amasta in a press release informed that 4th Amasta Day observance will be held at Kakwa Naurem Laikai Community Hall on October 14. Hence, school van services under Amasta will be on hold on the day. Now it's time for a small commercial break. After the break, we bring you news on All Aribam United Club Association urging authorities concerned to solve the mysterious death of Constable Moirangthem Bikarjit. Keep watching Impact News. Welcome back after the break. You're watching Afternoon News. A team of Old Jiribam United Club Association tried to find clues into the suspicious death of Moirangthem Bikarjit at adjoining areas of Lakhinagar and Lamdailong in Kasar today. Speaking to media, Ajuka President Mutum Maipaksana claimed that they have reports to prove that Bikarjit's bike was parked at the cemetery in the area. The association demanded the government to solve the death mystery at the earliest. It may be mentioned that Bikarjit, a constable in Manipur Police Department, went missing after he left home at around 3 p.m. on October 6. Later, his body was recovered at Jiri River on the Assam site on October 8.
ꯍꯥꯏꯔꯤꯕ ꯃꯦꯁꯤ ꯑꯁꯤ ꯌꯥꯝꯅ ꯆꯤꯡꯅꯅꯤꯡꯉꯥꯏ ꯑꯣꯏꯕ ꯑꯥꯔꯇꯤꯐꯤꯁꯤꯌꯦꯜ ꯑꯣꯏꯕ ꯄꯣꯠ ꯈꯔ ꯆꯤꯡꯅꯔꯛꯄ ꯑꯗꯨꯅ ꯃꯈꯥ ꯇꯥꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯀꯃꯥꯏꯅ ꯊꯧꯗꯣꯛꯁꯤ ꯊꯣꯛꯈꯤꯕꯅꯣ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯃꯐꯝ ꯑꯁꯤꯗ ꯍꯥꯏꯔꯤꯕ ꯗꯦꯗ ꯕꯣꯗꯤ ꯃꯐꯝ ꯀꯤꯂꯣꯃꯤꯇꯔ 2-3 ꯆꯠꯂꯒ ꯐꯪꯉꯤꯕ ꯑꯁꯤꯅ ꯀꯃꯥꯏꯅ ꯇꯧꯕꯅꯣ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯁꯦ ꯃꯁꯤ ꯃꯔꯤ ꯂꯩꯅꯕ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯒꯚꯔꯟꯃꯦꯟꯠꯒꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯊꯤꯒꯠꯐꯝ ꯊꯣꯛꯄ ꯄꯨꯂꯤꯁ ꯗꯤꯄꯥꯔꯠꯃꯦꯟꯠꯒꯤ ꯁꯥꯏꯠꯇꯒꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯊꯤꯒꯠꯅꯅꯕ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯒꯚꯔꯟꯃꯦꯟꯠꯒꯤ ꯁꯥꯏꯠꯇꯒꯤꯁꯨ ꯀꯃꯥꯏꯅ ꯇꯧꯔꯒ ꯍꯥꯏꯔꯤꯕ ꯃꯤꯑꯣꯏ ꯑꯁꯤ ꯂꯩꯈꯤꯗꯕꯅꯣ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯒꯤ ꯂꯪꯂꯥ ꯂꯪꯖꯦꯜ ꯑꯗꯨ ꯄꯨꯊꯣꯛꯅꯅꯕ ꯑꯖꯨꯀꯥꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯒꯚꯔꯟꯃꯦꯟꯠꯗ ꯃꯦꯃꯣꯔꯦꯟꯗꯝ ꯑꯃ ꯁꯕꯃꯤꯠ ꯗꯤꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯊ꯭ꯔꯨꯗ ꯃꯦꯃꯣꯔꯦꯟꯗꯝ ꯑꯃ ꯁꯕꯃꯤꯠ ꯇꯧꯖꯔꯒꯅꯤ.
Government has constituted a committee of officers to suggest measures to augment goods and services tax revenue. The panel, comprising state-level GST commissioners and central government officials, has been asked to suggest urgent measures to arrest the fall in tax revenues and suggest steps to be taken to improve revenue collection. In an order, Finance Ministry said the committee has been asked to consider a wide range of reforms so that a comprehensive list of suggestions may emerge. The panel has been asked to look into systematic changes in GST, including checks and balances to prevent misuse, measures to improve voluntary compliance, as well as policy measures and changes in law needed. The panel comprises state GST commissioners of Maharashtra, Tamil Nadu, Uttar Pradesh, West Bengal and Punjab, besides central government officials including Principal Commissioner of GST and Joint Secretary Revenue. The move came in the backdrop of decrease in GST collections in September. And in sports, in boxing, 6-time champion MC Mary Kom in 51 kg assured herself of an unprecedented 8th medal after advancing to the semi-finals of the Women's World Boxing Championship at Ulan-Ude in Russia yesterday. She has become the first and the only boxer, irrespective of the gender, to win 8 medals in the World Boxing Championship. Third-seeded Mary Kom went past Cuban men's boxing legend Felix Savin's tally of 7 World Championships medals. Mary Kom defeated Rio Olympic bronze medalist Ingrid Valencia of Colombia 5-0 to reach the semi-final. She will next take on second-seeded Turk Busenaz Koroglu on Saturday. This is the Mary Kom's first World Championships medal in the 51 kg category. Mary has 6 gold medals and a silver at the World Boxing Championships so far.
Ladies and gentlemen, the winner of this bout on point is
Before we end, let's take a look at the headlines once again. Speaker Yumnam Khemchand says government departments should give accurate and timely response on complaints received under Right to Information Act to bring good governance. And 6-time champion MC Mary Kom enters semi-finals of Women's World Boxing Championship at Ulan-Ude in Russia to face Turk Busenaz Koroglu on Saturday.